A guy named Elon Musk. You know that guy who bought Twitter for $44 billion? Well, if he had bought silver for $44 billion, we wouldn't be in this mess right now globally in the financial system. But we have some good news because Elon Musk is now a Twitter follower of Wall Street Silver. And there are some rumors that he's looking to buy a silver mine coming from Robert Kiyosaki. Is this going to solve all our problems? No, but it might. We are in the 10th consecutive month of net drainage from paper silver funds across the world, the longest consecutive net drain of silver from paper silver funds in the last 20 years at least. And this drain is happening even as silver has clearly bottomed since September. And we're going to go a little bit into the technicals of hyperinflation, the difference between the quantity theory of money and the liquidity theory of money. On to this week's Silver Report. I got this message from the people at Wall Street Silver showing me that, wow, Elon Musk suddenly follows Wall Street Silver and he only follows 155 accounts. This could be significant. Why would Elon Musk follow Wall Street Silver? He must be interested in silver, at least to some degree. And there is some evidence that he is looking to buy his own silver mine. This is unsubstantiated. These are rumors emanating from Robert Kiyosaki, who is said to be close to Elon Musk, from the Daily Star, UK newspaper. Elon Musk set to buy his own silver mine in bid to solve biggest weakness, PAL says. Many of Elon Musk's mega companies rely on silver to function, and the billionaire burns through masses of it on a daily basis, and he could be about to buy his own silver mine. Writer Robert Kiyosaki, who you might know from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, who is sort of on our side of the monetary equation, who is a longtime supporter of the billionaire Twitter owner, has claimed that Musk's main issue is the semi-precious metal silver. Due to Musk's main business, Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter, being in the tech sphere, it is thought that the 51-year-old Elon Musk uses a lot of silver in his products. Silver is also a key raw material for Tesla's energy, which uses solar panels where silver is a key component of conducting electricity through capturing the sun's rays. It has been rumored that Musk bought around 400 million pounds worth of silver in January, but he never confirmed it. Well, be these rumors for what they may, be that as it may, be them as they may, we know that Musk is now a Wall Street Silver follower. I wonder why that is. And really, the industrial uses of silver, as important as they are not nearly as important as silver in its monetary uses, which will come back with a vengeance once all gold substitutes are no longer trusted, including the dollar, the euro, the yen, the pound, and all the rest of it. But anyway, as silver has bottomed at around 1650 back in September, what is the state of the paper silver market? Well, if you look at the bottom bars here, going back to 2002 all the way to now, you have these bottom bars, these red bars going down. That means a drain in paper silver funds and all transparent paper silver. That includes SLV, that includes the COMEX, and all of the places where you can buy allocated or unallocated silver. How much silver is in these funds? Well, it's been going down for the last 10 months straight. This despite the spot price bottoming 3 months ago. Never have we been close to 10 months of consecutive drainage. In 2011, when silver hit $50 and then crashed, there was barely any movement relatively compared to now in paper silver funds. Well, the drain continues. It means that paper traders are still out of the market. Keep them out as long as possible. The longer they're out, the better. Let the silverbacks take control of this market. Next, something to keep an eye on for the next 4 days. Platinum deliveries begin in 4 days. It is an active contract. If you look at the chart here, you can see that the physical stocks of platinum, which means little silver, are down to below pre-COVID levels. We are now down to 130,000 ounces, and platinum is 50 ounces per contract. So that means we have about 2,300 contracts available for delivery. And how many are open? 23,429 with 4 days to go until delivery. So we have about 10 times as many contracts that are open or available for delivery. Platinum stocks have been draining fast since around when silver squeeze began in the middle of 2021, a little bit later than silver squeeze, but the supply has been going down fast. I know one of my subscribers at the Endgame Investor pointed me to an article written in 2011 by my favorite gold and silver monetary analyst, Daniel Oliver, and I don't make a secret about that. He is my favorite, and it's for good reason. This paragraph from his research paper 11 years ago explains why hyperinflations do not necessarily go correlated to the amount of money in the banking system. They are triggered by defaults not in the private sector, but defaults in the assets that are held by the central banks. And what are those? Those are government bonds and mortgage-backed securities. Mortgage-backed securities default when people stop paying their mortgages. They stop paying their mortgages when interest rates go too high and they can no longer afford to. That is already happening. And so we can expect, because the value of the dollar is welded to the value of real estate, because the central bank owns so many mortgage-backed securities, that when the housing market does crack, the dollar is going to go down with it.